Hey guys, I just wanted to show you a little bit about the Desmos activity that you're going to be doing today. So a couple things I wanted to point out. When you click the activity, there's a link down here. This is the link to get you to Desmos, so you'll click it. You want to make sure when you get to Desmos, you click sign in with Google. This will make sure that in case you don't finish it all at one time, you'll be able to, it'll save your work and you'll be able to finish it later. So you want to click sign in with Google and then click your Google account, your school Gmail account, and click, it probably is going to ask you to type your name in. You want to type your name so that you can get credit for your work, and then you want to click on the activity. Okay, so then it's gonna have slides, and you're gonna go through each slide. It's gonna give pretty specific directions. The first few slides are easy, so you'll click through them, answer any questions that you see, watch this video. When you get to slide 5, this is where we start doing some graphing challenges, some math kind of stuff. If you follow the directions that are written here, you shouldn't have any trouble. If you do, feel free to shoot me an email anytime. But like, for example, this slide here says plot a point in each quadrant. Hint, remember an ordered pair is written in the form of x comma y. So what you're going to do is come over here in these blank spaces over here. You can type inside these. So let's type 2 comma 2. Enter. And do you see how it put a dot over here at 2 comma 2? But it wants you to plot a point in each quadrant. So you're going to have to plot, okay, maybe we'll do like -4 comma 1. See how it plotted a point over here? So that's what you're going to do for each of those. Click to the next slide. Plot 3 points on the x-axis. So just to jog your memory, here's the x-axis. You're going to plot 3 points there. So you're just going to click through all these slides. If you're clicking through here and you don't remember, like, what is the x-axis, don't forget that you guys are on the internet, so you can always look up, what is the x-axis, and maybe that could sort of like help you out, help you figure that out. So you're going to click through all these slides. There are 26 of them. Some of them are quick, and then others will take a little longer to do. Just make sure you follow all the directions. Don't skip the directions, because those are really important. Anytime you get stuck, shoot me an email. Tell me which slide you're on. So up here it tells you the number, because I'll pull mine up too, and I'll click over, and I can actually pull up my dashboard to see where you are and what you have so far. Okay, so good luck with this Desmos activity, and please email me if you have any difficulty. Bye.